What if you could do something so crazy that everyone around you scratched their heads in amazement? What if you could do something so crazy that everyone around you said, you know, I want to do that too? Wait till you hear our latest adventure that we're about to embark on. I'll tell you all about that and more in this episode of Vision is Success TV. Years ago, our daughter was like millions of other high school students around the country, in which they were trying to determine what college they wanted to go to. For us, we attended several college fairs around our local area, and as we wove our way up and down the aisles of literally hundreds of tables, collecting all those wonderful brochures from all the college potentials that my daughter had to choose from, we came across one table that really caught our eye. At this table was a little quiet, and there was a woman sitting there, and she welcomed us over, and she proceeded to tell us all about her adventures that she was offering high school kids. And it wasn't about college at all. It was about something called a gap year. And she explained it a little, spent maybe 5 minutes describing it to my daughter, in which a gap year is used for high school students to go out and experience the world in a brand new way for 1 year of their life. So instead of heading from high school senior year directly into freshman year of college, you take a gap year or a year off in which you can discover more about the world and more about how you fit into the world. My daughter took the brochures, stuffed it into her bag, and proceeded down to the next few tables in order to keep collecting and keep expanding all of her options. But at the same time, when we took a look at this table and we started thinking about the concept of a gap year, we started asking ourselves the question of, well, is this something that we can do as 50-year-olds instead of doing it right out of high school? And of course the answer is yes. We found people all the time taking gap years, even though it's a little bit more common in Europe than it is the United States. But the more we came across it, the more we started discovering all the fun things that we could do to put a gap year into our life, the more exciting it became for us. To the point where we really started dwelling on it and how we could use this to literally look at the next 50 years of our life in an entirely different way. So it took a lot of planning, took a lot of different things, pulling a bunch of different things together, but we did have one advantage. Our advantage is we work from our laptop. We already had a lifestyle business in place. So we knew we could take everything that we have done and we could literally take our business and we could move it to any location in the world. In fact, we've even tested it by going to Europe for 6 weeks to see if we could do it. Could we run and handle our clients from anywhere in the world? And of course, the answer is yes. So we decided as of September 2014, we no longer want to be stationary right here in Denver, where we've both grown up and lived our entire lives. We want to go out and we want to explore the world. And we want to do it in a slow way. So we are going to be starting by heading up to the Pacific Northwest, and we are going to be doing a lot of looking around, experiencing new things, and discovering who we are, who we're meant to be in an entirely different way. Now, as we proceed from here, we know slow travel is what we want to accomplish. We don't want to jump someplace and live someplace every 6 weeks. For us, it sounds more exciting to live on a year-by-year basis. So we will make our home in the Pacific Northwest for the next year as we discover all the things that that area has to offer. We'll experience new things, we'll go where we want to go, and of course we will continue to operate our business all from the convenience of a laptop, because that's what makes a lifestyle business so successful and so popular, because you can run from anywhere with just a laptop. Now, as we grow and as we move forward and as we achieve new things, we will be sharing with you not only how to grow a business, how to grow a lifestyle business, but also to incorporate a lot of key aspects of a lifestyle, of a gap year into your own lifestyle business. If you're anxious to learn more about this concept, stick right here, because every week I will be incorporating tips on gap year as well as building your business right here on my newsletter and in my video tips. I look forward to talking to you soon from a brand new location. Bye-bye.